Welcome back to the vlog. We are going to do a bit of a catch up today, and I'm going to do a tutorial with this Emily in Paris Essence Eyeshadow Palette. It's so pretty. How many of you guys have already started watching the new season? I watched all of the other seasons several times already. I've been a big fan of it for quite a while now, so I was really excited about the new season. I know some people are a little bit like, oh, she's not in Paris. Like, calm down. I'm pretty sure she's gonna go back. It kind of hinted at that in one of the trailers, that she kind of starts missing her life in Paris. But I'm liking the new season so far. A little bit of a weird curveball with this. This is a spoiler alert. A little bit of a curveball with Mindy and Alfie potentially starting a romance. I don't know how I feel about that. It just seems kind of strange. I don't know. It'll make for some drama. I'm sure it'll be good in the show. It was just very unexpected, except they were posting kind of like teaser shots too, so it might not be a spoiler for you anyway if you follow, you know, their page or any of the actor and actresses' Instagram accounts. They've been kind of posting, you know, things together with just the two of them, so it's kind of like, what's going on there, you know? Anyway, I did not vlog when I was in Florida. I just wanted to enjoy that trip. I really did. We had a lot of nice, like, just chill, relaxing time at the hotel. And of course we went to the beach. I really felt like it was my first time to the beach. I have been before, like, but Galveston Beach. So I don't really count that. It wasn't really very nice. It was the beach, but this was the first time I went to a nice beach, and it was nice. Oh wow, it was just so beautiful. We were at Siesta Key, and I met one of my best friends who I had never met in real life before, and that was like incredible. And she brought me some birthday presents. I just had my birthday when we got back this week. I turned 45. She gave me this great quotes from great women desk calendar. I love that. And this beautiful big journal. It's even got the little celestial print on the side. Oh, it's so gorgeous. I love anything that's got like celestial print stuff on it, so that's just perfect for me. But so yeah, we went to the beach. We went to the Dali Museum. I love Salvador Dali, you know, the melting clock. If you've seen that, that's Salvador Dali. Everybody's seen that, I think, from him. It's very surrealism, though I didn't know that he did a lot of other kind of paintings too. We went through the museum, and he had a lot of different periods in his life, apparently, where he did Impressionism and just different types of art. I don't know, it was interesting. And then there was a 360 Van Gogh exhibit too. That was really cool. I love Van Gogh too. I actually, when I was a kid, my mom dragged me to auctions all the time. I hated it. I really hated it. But one time she just got me a box of just random stuff, and it had a Vermeer book in it and a Van Gogh book in it. So I had like a biography on him and had a lot of his paintings in it, and I just fell in love with it as a kid. So it's always been one of my favorites. So it was really special to see that exhibit. So, and then we went to a really cool theater on the same day that we did the museum, and we went to this really cool theater in Tampa. It's like really beautiful Spanish style. It's a movie theater. It's for seeing movies, not like, you know, theater arts. Not like Broadway shows, you know, not that kind of theater, but it was an experience. It was just so beautiful. So, and then my birthday was when we got back. I have to show you guys this. I got an actual crown on my birthday from one of my friends, the friend that I live with actually, and he got me this because we saw crowns at this store one time. And I was like, I really need one. So it just became this running joke that, like, I need a crown. I really do. And I have one now. So it's so pretty. I'm setting it on my vanity to remind myself that I'm a princess, a queen, or whatever. I also got this gorgeous Art Deco necklace. How pretty is that? I wore it like on my birthday, we went out to a really, really nice fancy steak dinner to a really beautiful place in Tulsa. And yeah, oh, one of my favorite presents for sure. Anyway, let's get into this Emily in Paris palette. So I already have on this NYX blush. I used this pink NYX blush. I did actually a unboxing and somewhat of a swatching tutorial with it last week, so that's already on YouTube. It's these beautiful pink shades. This is the Lady in Silver palette. It's with the Bridgerton collection with NYX. So beautiful pinks. I have the darker shade on my cheeks. I usually go with the reds in the NYX Bridgerton blush palettes, but I figured with doing the Emily in Paris palette today, I would need some pink on to match. I'm gonna do kind of monochromatic pink look. So the palette's very, very pink. This is what it looks like inside. It has a cute little pop-up Eiffel Tower. How cute is that? And just lots of pinks, lots of sparkle and shimmer. It's a really, really beautiful palette. I'm gonna start with that matte shade up here. It's just a light pink. I'm gonna just get that all over my lids just to kind of get that color all over. Oh, you can already see it's nice and pigmented. Very nice quality, especially for Essence. Essence is very affordable. I think I paid like maybe $10 for this palette. I can't remember exactly. I'll put it down below. I'll link to it. It's not going to be an affiliate link, but I'll link to it down below. And at least I don't think it will be an affiliate link, depending on where I link to it at. But yeah, with shipping and everything, I got it off Ulta. The Ulta website was where I got it, and it was, with shipping, it was kind of between 15 and 20 bucks. Really pretty pink. Oh, I really, really like this pink. Might have got a bit too much on this eye. Just need to blend it out. Really pretty pink. I really like that. It's a nice cool toned pink, so it's good if you have cool undertones. In the newer season, this is kind of a bit ironic, in the newer season, Emily has more of like a heavier line with a smoky eye with less color on her lids. This is more circa Emily in Paris, all the other seasons, where she tended to have like reds and pinks. So she had a lot of pink eyeshadow on. So it's definitely more like that than, at least so far. I've seen 2 episodes of the newest season, and so far she's got not a lot of color on her face and just heavier, more of the sexier, smoky liner. And with her sleek bob, she's definitely more like modern, minimal, sexier looking, but with a lot of prints too. It's Italy, so they do have a lot of pattern sometimes in what she's wearing, so it's really fun. Let me just get a little more of this on. I'm actually gonna take that same shade and put some of it underneath on my lower lid. I don't know how much it'll show up on camera necessarily, but I'm gonna just put some of it right underneath my eyeliner. Just add a little extra color, and it helps to open up the eyes too, to have color down there like that. Now I'm gonna go in with this darker shade down here. I'm gonna use that as the contour color. I'm gonna try not to get it on too heavy. I'm gonna kind of put it, like I said, as a contour, and I am gonna put it on my lid a little bit too. Being very careful with it here. It's definitely the darkest shade out of the whole palette. And then there is a glittery shade in this same shade that's almost like a foil metallic kind of shimmer. It's making the whites of my eyes look really white. Sometimes you run into the problem with pinks and reds with eyeshadow that it can actually make your eyes look more pink and red, but this is like making my eyes look really white for some reason. I get a little bit more on my lid. There are a lot of shimmery shades in this palette. There's almost a white one, and then there's several pinks, and there's like a gold shimmery shade. So a lot of options for like a shimmery topper. I'm almost doing a bit of a smoky eye with pulling this darker pink down close to my lash line. And there's this heart in the middle. That's the one that matches this shade, only it's got kind kind of metallic shimmer to it. I'm gonna just take that and put that all over my lid. I'm just gonna use my fingertip. Just adds a nice shimmer to it, but keeps the same shade. It's so pretty. There you can see, such a pretty shimmery shade. Now I'm gonna take one of these light shimmery shades, like probably that one at the top. I'm gonna use that. I like how that has a little bit of pink in it too. I'm gonna take and do my inner corner with that one. Always opens up the eye. I never skip that step. I always love doing my inner corner with a lighter shimmery shade. Then I think I might take this one down here and kind of dab that a little bit in the middle just to kind of lighten it up a bit. Just lightens it up a bit, adds a little bit more dimension to it. That is it. That was so quick and easy. Such a nice, pretty pink look. Those colors are really high quality. It's really like a smooth, buttery, very blendable formula. I really like it. I also used Essence for my mascara. I like their I Heart Extreme Crazy Volume. I used to like their Extreme Curl and Volume. They don't have it anymore, unfortunately, but so this is the next best thing in my opinion. So I like using this. Then on the lips, I'm using this also from the Bridgerton collection. It's their Angel Food Cake Butter Lip Gloss, or Butter Gloss. It's a nice, beautiful mauve pink. There we go, that's it. That was kind of a short video, even with the catch-up, but I just don't have anything else that I need to post right now. I wanted to get that eyeshadow tutorial posted before Christmas, and then I think I'll be doing a December faves also that I can post before the end of the year, or really it should be a year-end favorites video. So I'll do that. I'm really looking forward to that. And man, I'm looking forward to watching the rest of Emily in Paris. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys watch that, what you think about it and what you think of the new season. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.